Good afternoon po, sir. Again, is my reflection about the gasolina. My position about this, I agree with the message video gasolina because it shows the real struggles that many Filipinos families experience due to rising fuel prices. The father's sacrifice reflect how parents are willing to endure hardships. And next is the number two, the second question. What is the main issue shown? I've seen the main issue shown in the video is the oil crisis, its impact on poverty and family responsibility. In the next, the third question is, what lessons can society learn from this? Society can learn from importance and understanding and addressing the struggles of the ordinary people. The government should create solutions to control fuel prices and provide support to the affected families. And that's all I can talk. So, thank you, sir.